It's raining. It's amazing. Since we've been here, it's been raining a couple of times, but not this much as it is right now. And it's amazing. Just look around. Ooh, look at the muddy puddle. No, that's not muddy puddle. I know. How can I show from there? You can at least hear. You can hear the rain. And people think I'm weird filming in rain. Yeah, you can see I'm wet because I didn't have my umbrella. I had to go to my car and get an umbrella and then come back out. So I have one for later on when I have to go and pick up my daughter, so my son can at least have an umbrella, or I can have an umbrella. I don't know, whichever. This is such a great weather. Oh my god. My daughter loved walking all the way to Forskula. Usually I use her pram, but today I did not because it was raining and I knew she would love it. She had so many jumping up and down in muddy puddles, muddy puddles, muddy puddles. That was so awesome. Today was also her first time being happy to be in Forskula, and she's like, okay, Mummy John, you can go now. It's okay. Bye-bye. Look at the weather. ऐसी जबरदस्त बारिश हो रही है. हम भी पसंद करते हैं. सर्दी का तो नहीं पता, लेकिन बारिश हो रही है बाबा. तो ये हम खेन का पूरा पहने हुए हैं क्योंकि मैंने अभी तक अपने लिए जैकेट्स एंड रेन कोट्स वगैरह नहीं लिया है. तो ये ऊपर से नीचे तक पूरा खेन का है. उनके बूट्स मुझे नहीं आते, वो बड़े हैं. तो अब मैं घर जा रही हूँ और कॉफ़ी पीऊँगी. नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं डेनमार्क जाऊँगी, आई थिंक फ्राइडे को, नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे. फिर मैं अपनी ले लूँगी.